how to make Android hotspot speed faster. This tutorial shows you how to optimize and improve your mobile hotspot connection speed on your Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Following that, tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Now, tap on Mobile Hotspot to access hotspot settings. Moving forward, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Afterwards, select Configure or Hotspot Settings from the menu. In addition to that, look for AP band or band option. Once found, tap on it to change the frequency band. Subsequently, select 5G band instead of 2.4G band for faster speeds. Moreover, 5G offers higher speeds but shorter range. Afterwards, also check the maximum connections limit. Then reduce the number of allowed devices to 1 or 2 for better performance. Within this section, ensure your mobile data is set to 4G or 5G. Alternatively, go back to Settings and tap on Mobile Networks. Once there, select Network Mode and choose LTE or 5G. Then disable any battery-saving modes that might throttle hotspot speed. Afterwards, position your devices closer together for stronger signal. Then restart both your Android device and the connected device. Moreover, clear the cache of system apps by going to Settings, then Apps. Afterwards, your Android hotspot should now run faster with optimized settings. Then you've successfully improved your mobile hotspot speed on Android. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you make your Android hotspot faster, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.